Procters are the most established security company in the UK. We were founded in 1740 and are still a family-run business today, with Jeremy Procter as chairman.
The reason for our success is that we have continually invested in innovation to be market leaders and expert in the security sector, to ensure we are in a position to offer our customers exactly what they need to keep themselves and their assets safe in an ever-changing environment.
My name is Paul Dillon. I'm the Business Group Manager for the Physical Security team at BRE Global. We've been invited down by Procter to conduct a development test programme to LPS 1175. That's a third-party certification standard for physical security. Once approved, will be used in residential, commercial, utility arenas to provide security to the inhabitants and the people using those sites. On arrival, the specimens were ready. We've done a wide range of specimen tests. The Procter team have been very helpful and have worked with us to provide the necessary specimens and information about the product to make the development test programme as smooth as possible. We've been here at Procter testing fences, gates and sliding gates to security rating 1 and security rating 2. Security rating 1 is a 1-minute attack using basic tools such as knives, levers, cutters, moving up to security rating 2, which is a 3-minute attack test using the same tools, but in addition claw hammers, screwdrivers, tubes, bolt cutters, and we go through a wide range of attack methods to assess the resistance of the products to those tools and attack times.
I'm Emma Snow. I'm one of the Secure by Design Development Officers covering the southwest of England and Wales. The testing that Procter have undergone with BRE with their SR gate system proves that the gates will withstand an attack by an opportunist criminal.